Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. I just recently got this shepherd's hook for my backyard, and I'm so impressed with not only its beauty and the bit of elegance it brings to my backyard, but also its durability and how easy it was to set up. I have put several different items on this shepherd's hook, including bird feeders, solar lights, and hanging plants, and it has withstood all of the weight I've put on it. But not only does it handle the weight, it has also endured the blazing sun and thunderstorms. It has not fallen over from the wind, and it shows no signs of paint chipping or cracking from the sun. It was so easy to set up right out of the box. I didn't need any tools to put it together. It simply twisted together to the length that I desired it to be, and with easy to read instructions, I was able to use only my foot to secure it into the ground. So if you're in the market for a beautiful shepherd's hook that will definitely add some beauty and charm to your yard or garden and last you for years, then I highly recommend this beautiful shepherd's hook from AOMGD. And that's my point of view.